Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Deal of the day 2 is out. Deal of the day 2, we're going to go over it. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, hyping, becoming a channel member to support the channel. Check me out on Facebook. It's in the description. 10 days of deals. We went over day of the deal 1. They've added Vulcan 350-pound capacity welding cart, $69.99. Nice. Don't forget 25% off all floor jacks and jacks if you're ITC, and jack stands if you're ITC today or this weekend. Solid. And then deal of the day 2. Deal of the day 2. Predator. Predator days. Let's check the math, but first we'll go over it. $900. Normally $1,300 for the Predator 1,300 watt tri-fuel portable generator. Limit 1. $400 off. $400 off. And then the Predator 3,500 watt super quiet inverter generator, limit 1, $225 off. So first, let's go to the overall description. 13,000 watt tri-fuel portable generator, $1,300, $1 per watt. Well, no, $1 per 10 watts. Okay, I don't know if that's a unit of measure. Runs on gasoline, propane, or natural gas. Maximum flexibility, get over 12 hours of runtime. Warranty is always important, so guarantee for it to be free. 2-year warranty. Okay, good to know. And then 4.796% customers recommend. Look at this. If it's good enough for the Lawrence Allison Fire District, could be good enough for regular Joe Schmo. A HARBRO. A Joe HARBRO. A $1,300, 13,000 watt tri-fuel. And let's check out the price history. And this is the price history. There's only one dot. 1/19/2024. So it looks like this only goes on sale for the generator days, and most generator days are what, 20-25% off. So we'll do the math here first. $400 off of $1,300 gets us to 31% off. 31% off for the 13,000 watt tri-fuel. And that's better than the 25% off for the Predator days, the generator days. So that's pretty solid. And then we have $575, $225 off. And we'll just do this math right up from $225 off of $800. Gets us to 28% off. So still better than the generator days. We're going to round up to 29% off because it's just over 28% off. And again, better than generator days. But let's look at the price history to see what, if maybe there was some super coupons or something that's been higher in the past. Looking at the 3,500 watt, a lot more history, a lot more sales, and looks like they've been going on sale. It's been trending down over the last few years. Regular coupons and ITC have gone down to $600. Not included here is the generator days, but $600 is the lowest it's been. Regular price has stayed about the same at $900. $599.99 down to $574. So at least compared to the history, this does appear to be the lowest that it's ever been. And we'll take a quick look at the specs for $575. Definitely a great deal. But now let's just review it over. 3,500 watts, super quiet inverter generator, CO secure technology, 49 state compliant. I wonder what state is not. Just kidding. There's a California compliant one here. Same price, same deal. Gotta love California. $800 compared to Honda. Warranty should be the same, 2 years, and then defects materials 90 days. So you got to look into that. Reviews 4.796%. My first generator. Purchased it. First projects. Looks like they love it. Amazingly quiet. Runs great. Haven't used it yet, but looks like they're ready to use it. Perfect size. This one looks like it can go off-roading. That's nuts. Probably some Harbor Freight tires. Runs so quiet. Always starts. You get rid of the tiny wheels. It's so easy to take everywhere. This is why I love looking at the reviews, because they show us things like this. But it'll be simple. $800 down to $575, 29% off, 31% off for the 13,000 watt tri-fuel. And that's deal of the day 2, HARBROs. Let me know what you think. Always love the comments. I'll keep this one simple and leave it at that. Happy harbor freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. We're almost at 28,000 subscribers. That's nuts. And as soon as I have some more deals, more of the 10 days of deals, I will send them your way.